Hey everyone, how are you? I am going to be showing you today a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. And I've got a few hauls coming up in the very near future from different stores, but you guys, I am so excited about these. Oh my gosh. So excited. So, let's start with this little tree skirt. Now I got two of them. I'm going to put those on under my tree in the kitchen, because my kitchen is going to be total gingerbread peppermint, and I am so excited about the decor pieces I got for it. And I opened up one because I wanted to see how big it would be, and it's a pretty darn good size. When you open it, so that's going to work perfectly. I might need both of them, but I don't know those. And that'll go perfect with the peppermint and the gingerbread. Then I got this hat, and I'm probably going to cover it because my snowmen in my family room are more of the courtly check. I think I might. Now I don't know, but I think I will, and I'll just take the material off and use that as my pattern. I love the top hats. Then I got another one of these little crates because I'm going to be doing a DIY, and I needed something for a base. This I'll use throughout the year because I'm going to be doing more of the Mackenzie Child in my kitchen at the beginning of the year. So that'll come in handy. Then they have these Christmas picks. Now, I am not really thrilled over the gold because that's just not what I'm doing, but I can use these berries, and I can also use, well, this one's really goldy, but I could always paint the tips of these with white. I'm not sure. Or put them in with my DIY. I prefer the darker holly. Okay, like this. Big difference between this and this holly. And with the white poinsettias, will be pretty with the black and white check. So I got a few of those. Then I got this big felt Christmas tree, and I'm not using this itself. I'm using it for a pattern for a couple of DIYs that I am using in my family room. I thought these were really cute. This is also going to go in a DIY. And they have this in silver and in gold. Okay? And it looks like this bulb is like a, oh, it's a color changing. Okay. So it'll be different colors. Okay. But for $1, that's cute. Look. I also bought a couple of these storage containers, and I just purchased a lot of the storage containers for my cubbies in my craft room because I'm going to be completely redoing my cubbies, and I'll bring you along for that process. But I got these, and I'm not quite sure what I'll do yet with these, but I wanted the black and white. I may use one of these to put Angie's toys in, my puppy, and not sure about this one yet. Not positive. But for $1, I wanted to get a couple of them now because a lot of times, you know the old saying, if you see it, get it, because a lot of times it's not there. I can't tell you how many times that's happened to me. Got a couple of the white bottle brush trees, and that will go in a DIY as well. And they had I use these all the time when I cook, all the time. And for $1, and I thought, you know, being red, I can just put it out for Christmas or for the 4th of July or for Valentine's with some wooden spoons, you know, if you decorate a can or whatever. But I really do use these. So then I always buy socks from there for different holidays, and Halloween's no exception. So I got the bats and then the black cats. And you all know my addiction to gum, bubble gum. But you'll never guess what I found. And those that have followed me for a while, you're gonna go, oh my gosh, you finally found them. And I'll be right back to show you. 2 years. Do you remember how I was looking for these lemon plates? Random. Most random thing ever. When I was looking for these, the big plates, couldn't find them. Couldn't find them. So I settled for the saucer, or the salad plate, I should say. And I put the salad plate on top of my white plate, and it was fine. But I love these plates. I think Dollar Tree really did a great job on these plates. Well, I was going for Christmas stuff, and lo and behold, right next to the Christmas stuff, they had these plates. These plates, a few cups, and a few glasses. That was it. They had about 10 plates, and I only took 4 because that's, you know, enough for my setting. But can you believe that? I finally got the big... It took me 2 years, but I got them. So I wanted to share that with you. All right, so now let's go on back to Christmas. But I had to show you that. Then I got... Where is that? Hold on. Then I was so excited about these because last year they had these, okay? And this is gonna go with my snowman theme, perfect. I'm gonna, you know, zhuzh these up a little bit, but these have the lights. Now they don't always have the lights, but these did. How perfect is that? So I was so excited about that. And they're a nice size. I mean, here's the palm of my hand. I think that's it. I think that is my Dollar Tree haul. But I wanted to share that with you, and I had to tell you about those lemon plates. That was a crack up. Never in a million years thought I was going to find lemon plates at Christmas time. But it is the Dollar Tree, and you never know. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it, and be on the lookout for my other hauls coming up very soon. Take care.